Welcome to Stock Smarts, where we help you make smarter money moves. Today's topic, why you should park your money in digital banks in the Philippines. Yes, we've entered a new era of banking. No more waiting in line. No more sleeping through single-digit interest rates. No more giving your hard-earned cash to banks that give you nothing in return. Digital banks are here. They're fast. They're efficient. And for the first time in a long time, they're rewarding you for saving. Let's break down why they make sense in 2025 and which ones you should seriously consider. No, not too long ago, we were told that saving money wasn't exciting because banks were only giving you 0.1% or sometimes less. It's almost insulting that you deposit your cash, they lend it out, and they keep the profits. You're left with coins for interest. But then came the digital banks, and suddenly the game changed. Today, we're seeing 4 to 6% per annum on savings accounts, far better than any brick-and-mortar bank can offer. And the best part, no minimum balance, no unnecessary fees, no long lines. Everything is done with a few taps on your phone. This isn't just a trend. This is the future of personal finance. Now, let's talk about the top platforms you should be using in 2025. Each of these has its own strengths, no? And any one of them is a better place to keep your money than accounts that only grow dust. One, Maya Bank. Maya isn't just a wallet anymore. It's a fully licensed digital bank offering up to 6% interest per year on your savings. You get a sleek app, easy transfers, and even bill payments and crypto options built in. If you're someone who wants to grow your savings and also do your daily transactions in one app, Maya is a solid bet. Plus, they've gamified saving. The more you save, the higher your interest tier can go. Seabank is another game changer. Backed by C Group, the same people behind Shopee, they offer competitive interest rates and a very clean user interface. It's simple, no fuss banking. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Your money grows daily and you see interest being credited every single day. Not monthly, not quarterly, but daily. That's the kind of motivation we never had with traditional banks. Gotyme is a hybrid. You get the convenience of a digital bank and the presence of kiosks inside major malls for cash deposits and withdrawals. The interest rate is decent, but what sets them apart is how they've integrated finance into your lifestyle. You get a Visa card, access to budgeting tools, and customer service that actually responds. It's perfect for people who still want a bit of physical interaction but without the old school inefficiency. Union Digital is the digital arm of Union Bank, but it runs independently and much faster. This is where traditional banking meets future tech. They offer access to higher interest rates, smoother onboarding, and potential integrations with other fintech platforms. Union Digital is still scaling, but it's a serious contender, especially for people who are looking to diversify outside the wallets they use for daily expenses. Gcash, GSave. Now, we can't talk digital banking without mentioning Gcash. Through GSave, Gcash allows users to open savings accounts with partner banks like CIMB, offering up to 4 to 5% interest depending on promos. This is incredibly convenient. You can literally open a bank account from your phone in under 5 minutes. And since Gcash is already widely used, it's an easy first step for millions of Filipinos into the world of digital finance. So why is this better? Because these banks work for you, not the other way around. They pay you to save. They update you in real time. They don't trap you in low interest accounts with complex terms and hidden fees. And the truth is, you deserve better than 0.1%. If you want to know more about investing in the stock market, check out the links down below for our books and online on-demand seminars. Whether you're just starting out or looking to go deeper, we've got resources to help you grow. Now let's talk big picture. Parking your money in a digital bank does two powerful things. First, it protects your capital. Second, it gives you risk-free passive income. If you're someone who's not ready to take on market risk or you're just saving for short-term goals, this is perfect for you. You're not gambling your money. You're not waiting for a stock to go up. You're just letting your savings quietly and consistently grow. And if you do this month after month, year after year, you'll be surprised at how powerful compound interest really is. Let's do quick math. Let's say you park 100,000 pesos in a digital bank offering 6% interest. That's 6,000 pesos per year just for letting your money sit. Do that for 5 years without withdrawing and your money compounds into over 134,000 pesos. Again, risk-free. And unlike certain markets that have barely moved in a decade, your capital here isn't exposed to flat returns or illiquidity. You don't need to worry about whether the index will finally break out this year or whether your broker fees are eating into your profits. Here, your money works quietly and steadily every single day. Let me be clear, I'm not saying digital banks will make you rich, but they're the best starting point in 2025. You want to build wealth? Start with protecting your cash. You want to invest in stocks or crypto later? Make sure you have emergency funds in a digital bank first. And if you're tired of putting money into places where nothing grows or worse, where your capital depreciates, then this is your wake-up call. Don't leave your money in savings accounts that earn less than inflation. Don't follow outdated systems that give you no reward for doing the right thing. Use the tools that are built for you, tools that were never available just a few years ago. Digital banks are not just the future, they are the now. Thanks for watching this episode of Stock Smarts. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. In today's world, it's not enough to just earn. So you have to make your money work while you sleep. And parking it in the right digital bank, that's a smart, secure step forward. I'm here to help you make those decisions smarter, faster, and better. See you in the next video.